Hello, welcome to a look inside Brilliant Lady's Central Sea Terrace 9262z. Inside you find a closet with a shelf, a hanging bar for your hanging items. Below that, a couple baskets for storing your small loose items. Next to that is a closet. Several shelves, some of your life jackets there. We have a small safe capable of holding a small tablet, a shelf with your hairdryer, and a few soft close drawers. Inside the closet door you find a full-length dressing mirror. Hello. Across from the closet we got your thermostat and the light switch for the bathroom. Speaking of the bathroom, it's small in size but still very adequate. Lots of towels, your toilet, a basin sink, and some counter space for all your small items, and a little shelf with some drinking glasses. Trash bins underneath. The highlight of the bathroom is the shower. You have your wand on one side and the rain shower head above. There's also a clothesline to hang your wet items. You also find a small shelf along with your red flower hair wash, conditioner, and body wash. Continuing inside the cabin, you have a small desk with a stool. And in this cabinet here, you have a small cooler. We usually put our water carafe inside here. The water is included on Virgin Voyages. Above there, you have a small desk lamp, your telephone, and the tablet that controls your room temperature, entertainment, and the lighting. Opposite the desk, there's a small chair, this shelf where we found our beach towels, and a little side table. There's also a throw blanket and your large king-size bed. Across from the bed is the TV where you can watch some of those included movie options. And don't forget, this is a sea terrace. Out here you'll find 2 chairs, a table, and that famous hammock. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next adventure.